Hi friends, up to now you have seen the different ways of creating objects in the JavaScript. You have seen using object.create, and you have used opening curly brace and closing curly brace, and also we have seen another process, something like new object. We have seen three different ways of creating an object. Let's see now another way of creating an object in the JavaScript. You can think you may get a doubt that why these many types of creating a JavaScript. Each creation will have its own thing. So for example, here object.create, we are able to give the prototypes for this one. Okay, so here simply in the fastest way, in the simple way, how we can create an object for this one. Similarly the same thing, so now we will see some powerful way of creating an object using constructor functions. Okay, let's see. I will remove this other code. I will write one function person. Okay, let's empty function I will write, and I will take small p small person as new person. Okay, now what I will try to do, person dot name is equal to, I will give it as Leela, and I will try to print the console.log small person. Now I will try to check the output. We got the same object created with name Leela. How this has happened? Now this one is same thing like new object how we have created previously. The same thing, we have used the person function as instance, and we have created an object with person. Okay, so let's see now whether this person prototype, all the prototypes will be inherited from the object prototype, right? So let's check whether this is inherited from the object or not. Let's check. We check the object prototype is equal to object.prototype or not. We got false, so that means this object is not inherited, doesn't have the parent object. Okay, so this has the parent as a person. So let's check whether this person is inherited or not. Okay, sorry, we forgot auto here. Okay, now let's check. If we check this person, then also we are getting it as false. That means this person's proto is not the person. Let's check whether this prototype, person's prototype, is small equal or not. Now we got the true. That means small, this person's proto is equal to the person prototype. Now we will try to create the person prototype. Okay, prototype dot same like this hello world hello, we will create, and we will create a function, and we can write console.log. Okay, hello world or something like this. Now what I will try to do is, I will try to call the person dot hello. Will they execute or not? As usual, when you see, you'll be able to execute the hello world. So we'll try to see whether toString will be executed or not. We check here, we got an output. We didn't got any output. Okay, toString is not present. If we check here whether this one executing, so we got this one as not a function. Okay, so toString it didn't execute it, so that means object doesn't have that one. So now person.hello, we got executed this person.hello. Now what we will try to do is, I will try to remove this one. Okay, and I will try to print the person.name console.log person.name. Okay, when I try to print the person.name, we got it as undefined. Now we got undefined. Now when we are trying to create any person or anything, so if you want to give default values for this property name, we can give the default values in the function itself by using this dot name is equal to Leela here. Okay, now if I try to run here, I got Leela as the output. So that means when we create a person, when we create an instance of the new person, the function automatically will assign some of the properties here to the person object. So now if I create another person, okay, is equal to new person. If I create is equal to new person, now if I try to print console.log another person dot name. Okay, you will see both Leela and Leela. Now I will change that another person dot name is equal to Leela 2 or something like. Okay, now if I run here, I'll be getting Leela and Leela 1. Okay, and now you can also have another method, something like here this dot hello is equal to function, and you can have your own thing here, console.log. Okay, hello world, and I will write plus this dot name. Okay, you can also use like this also. Now what I will try to do, I will try to write this dot hello, I will try to call, and here also I will try to call. We can remove this one directly and we can paste it here. I can remove this, I can remove this one also, so that it will be very clear. Another person dot hello. So which one will execute, whether this one will execute or this one will execute? Let's check that one. Now if I run here, I got hello world Leela and hello world Leela 2. So hello world Leela, so that means person doesn't have the property name. So default one, this dot name has been initialized, and we got the output this dot name like this. And here another person, we have overridden this one Leela 1 2, and here we got the name as Leela 1 2. Okay. Now, so the prototype thing didn't get executed. So this is the, what we can say is, this is the higher level of the function execution. If if any function is not available in the person's thing, then only the prototypes will be executed. Now you can have another one, something like hello general or something like this. So now if you want to execute this hello general, you can have like this, and if you run, you will be execute the hello world Leela and hello world like this. So this is how you can create the object using the function. Okay, why this one, you may ask. So this is nothing but, what we can say is, this is nothing but a blueprint. So most of the languages you will be having class. Okay, blueprint. So this one is blueprint. So what are the constructors and methods you want to write here, you can write inside this one, so that you will be having each instance like this. Okay, and also you can check here like this, console.log. So you can check here console.log person. Okay, small person. So this one is an instance. You can check like this, instance of, okay, instance of, I think it's a small letter, instance of person. If you want to check this one as instance of person or not, you can check here and you can get the output as true here. See, so it is the instance of person, this capital person is instance of this person, and if we check with another person, is also an instance of the person. So each one will have its own copy, so each one will have its own data, just like the other languages class thing and all those things. So person object will have its own set of blueprint instance, and another person will have its own set of instance and its own set of objects and this thing. So if you type here this here, if you come outside and if you print something like this here, okay, if you try to run, you will be getting lot of data here. See, so what is this all data is nothing but window object. This refers here outside the function, this refers the, what we can say, window object, but in this function this refers to that instance of that object. Okay, so this is the construction function, how we can create a prototype using the function. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.